The next critical behaviour in successful transformation is this: confront complexity early. In today's interconnected world, almost every meaningful change is complex. Modern platforms depend on external vendors, APIs or application programmers interfaces, open source repositories of code, cloud infrastructure, data networks. And that's before you factor in organizational politics and legacy systems and good old human behavior. Complexity is not the exception, it's the baseline. The Azure cloud outage of July 2024 illustrates this point rather starkly. So when a routine product update of CrowdStrike's Falcon sensor cybersecurity product went awry, it led to a significant global outage of Azure. The issue could have been identified in testing around the unhappy path, i.e. the scenarios associated with things going badly, but that wasn't done sufficiently well. The mistake many organizations make is assuming complexity can be managed deterministically, i.e. through detailed upfront planning and waterfall execution. But when unknown unknowns dominate the landscape, no plan survives contact with reality. Experience becomes a critical differentiator in those sorts of situations. So for example, if you're BMW and you're launching a new 3 Series car, you've done something very similar many times before, typically every 4 years as a new model. You understand the supply chain, the engineering tolerances, the regulatory pathways. Complexity exists, but it's familiar complexity, and predictions are grounded in some sort of comparative data. Contrast that with a first-of-its-kind transformation. Going to the moon is a good example. Step changes introduce exponential levels of uncertainty. Unknown dependencies compound, they're just not simple. Small errors cascade into cost overruns and schedule divergence. This is why complexity must be confronted early, not abstracted away. Sprint-based iterations force teams to engage directly with each layer of the problem at a regular cadence. Each cycle surfaces hidden dependencies. Each test replaces assumptions with evidence. And here's the paradox: the better a problem is understood, the simpler the solution becomes. Complexity in solutions is often a symptom of insufficient understanding. Teams distant from the mission domain tend to over-engineer solutions. Teams close to the coalface learn faster, so they can simplify faster and adapt faster. Absolute success in transformation requires tolerating and even celebrating incremental failures along the way, because every early confrontation with complexity reduces the risk of catastrophic failure later. Avoiding complexity does not eliminate it, it only defers it, usually at far higher cost.